today you'll be getting a new treat of some rabbit meat. I got this inspiration after seeing the cooking nurse on IG prepare some of it. She told me, yeah, you should actually try it. So that's what we are making today, some rabbit meat. Karibu. So if you're in Kenya and you're looking for where to get rabbit meat, I got this from Carrefour, or if you call it Carrefour, whichever you name it. Yeah, so I got, they sell 1 kg at 799. So for this, I got it at about 904, which was about 1.2 kgs thereabout. Yeah, so as usual, we begin by first marinating our meat. Into the bowl, add your rabbit meat. So drizzle your oil onto the meat. This ensures that the spices will adhere to the meat. Drizzle your spices. The spices will be in the description box below. Next, add in your mayonnaise, some dark soy sauce, and vinegar. Give your rabbit meat a good mix and just rub in your spices and all the marination ingredients into your rabbit meat. And then finally wrap with some cling film before transferring it into your fridge to marinate for about 1 hour on minimum to overnight, or as long as you wish it to be. Remember, when you marinate, the meat becomes softer. Once done with the marination, unwrap your meat, and then next, on a baking tray, line it with some aluminum foil and drizzle some oil. This is to prevent the meat from sticking onto the baking tray while you're baking it. Then transfer your marinated rabbit meat onto the baking tray and then place each piece one at a time, separated slightly. This ensures that they have enough room to cook evenly. Next, add in some spices on top of the meat. The same spices we used while marinating are the same ones we're using over here. Then add in some bit of salt, followed by dark soy sauce, and some bit of oil on top. Finally, cover your baking tray with some aluminum foil. This helps prevent the meat from browning on top before it actually cooks inside. Next, transfer into the oven. Ensure your oven is preheated and bake at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes first. Turn over or flip your rabbit meat onto the other side. Then return it into the oven. Remember, when it's unwrapped, not covered with the aluminum foil, so bake for another 30 minutes, which I did over here, before I finally removed it and it was ready to be served. So if it's very soft, it will take less time. If it's harder, you might need to give it more time in the oven. Rabbit meat actually tastes so much like chicken. So if you love chicken, be sure you'll enjoy rabbit meat. If you actually handed over chicken and rabbit meat together, without being told that one is rabbit meat, you might actually end up saying that you're eating chicken altogether. So that's it from me over here at Holami. Remember to subscribe and share with your family and friends, and try out the rabbit meat and tell me how you'll find it to be. Till next time, kwaheri.